Bobby's just finishing up some last minute details. You're doing last minute things around the house before we actually close all the walls in and it starts looking like a house.
Okay.
I just said it, so it's fine.
Oh. That wasn't a dry run?
No.
Well, straight to it.
Straight to it. Bobby's just finishing up some last minute details.
This is new to me, guys, all right? This is all
Gaines.
new. Chip, I am not Chip Gaines. I'm way too Mexican to be Chip. You know? El Cheapo. That's what they call me.
Yeah.
El Cheapo.
Yeah, and I think that's all for now.
Okay. What happened now, my love? Come here.
Alright, you guys, so we are a month in and we are finally seeing some progress. We just got our door installed 2 days ago. Yesterday we got installation and today drywall is going up. So we are so excited. We hope to be almost done. Cross your fingers because this has been a journey, especially with the kids and everything going on. So we're excited. The progress in the house is coming along. Installation, drywall, new AC, new plumbing. I mean, everything is pretty much new in this house. We're 10 minutes from downtown and we are really close to a lot of amenities, some really awesome restaurants. So we are excited. So I just got to the house right now and we have walls. It is insane. So what's happening right now is all the drywall went up, as you can see here. And they do this thing which is called taping. So they basically literally, it's like some kind of tape that they put over, I believe. And then they put this like white plaster looking stuff to like cover all the holes, all of the cracks from putting up all the drywall. And it is looking so good in here. It's so much brighter and open, everything we wanted. The kids' room is looking so good, / guest room. And remember I told you guys we left the carpet because there's hardwood floors underneath, so we didn't want to mess them up. So that's why there's still carpet, and it's great because all the stuff is falling on the carpet, and then we're just gonna roll it up and throw it away. So good. All right, so this wall here is where the cabinets, the sink, and the stove are going. So this is part of the kitchen and I can't believe it's almost done. This is the living room. So we're gonna have our TV over there on this wall here. Some pretty chairs there. A sofa either this way or this way, not sure yet, but oh my God, it's looking so good. Okay, so that's our front door. These windows go into the kitchen. Now, this window was not supposed to be here. This one was gonna actually go in the restroom, but we decided we wanted to X the restroom window and put it over here. So this has like a frosted glass thing on it, so we need to remove that and make it look like those over there. But it's coming along.